The iPhone 17 is coming, and this time, Apple might be making its biggest change in years. Forget the Pro Max, because leaks are saying Apple is replacing it with something even bigger, the iPhone 17 Ultra. Sounds crazy, right? Well, let's dive into the leaks and see if this is actually happening. Before the iPhone 16 launched, chatter was already buzzing about Apple working on a groundbreaking device, a phone that could render the Pro Max outdated. However, when the iPhone 16 eventually came out, it felt quite familiar. Now, those earlier whispers are back, and they're gaining momentum. A well-known leaker has recently shared a report hinting that Apple is reshuffling its iPhone lineup, and the surprising twist is that the Pro Max might be cut. Instead, Apple is expected to roll out a new series that could include iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, iPhone 17 Pro, iPhone 17 Ultra. Yes, iPhone 17 Ultra. Apple already uses Ultra for its high-end offerings. Think MacBook Ultra, Apple Watch Ultra, and the M3 Ultra chip. So this idea seems quite feasible. But what distinguishes the Ultra from the rest? According to these leaks, here are some intriguing features to expect. A redesigned dynamic island that could be both smaller and more advanced. A vapor chamber cooling system to stop your phone from overheating, ensuring it doesn't feel like a hot plate. A bigger battery for enhanced power. Increased RAM, jumping from 8 GB to 12 GB for the Pro models. Furthermore, some sources suggest that the Ultra could include 3 48-megapixel cameras, meaning we might finally get a 48-megapixel telephoto lens this year. However, not everyone is convinced by these claims. Analyst Jeff Pugh believes that the iPhone 17 Pro Max, or Ultra, will feature a smaller dynamic island, while Ming-Chi Kuo remains doubtful. A new blog on Naver adds to the discussion, suggesting Apple may lack enough components for the new dynamic island for both Pro models, hinting that only the Ultra might receive this upgrade. So, yes, the rumor scene is lively with mixed signals. Now, here's where you come in. Do you think the iPhone 17 Ultra will actually happen? Or is it just another wild rumor that will fade away? Apple is likely to showcase the iPhone 17 lineup around September, so the answers are just around the corner. What do you think? Would you be interested in upgrading to an Ultra model? Or are you happy with the Pro Max? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you love keeping up with Apple leaks and rumors, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for joining in. Catch you in the next one.